In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a video, image and music. No watermark, no stress, no payment, and totally free of charge. And don't forget, on this channel we are sharing a powerful new update about YouTube growth and also a new update about AI, how you can create video, image and other things. And so if it is your first time seeing my video, don't forget to hit the subscription button and turn the notification bell so that you never miss any new update when we upload it. So let us dive into our tutorial. So first thing you have to do, you can open your YouTube like that. So here is the interface of YouTube. So the first thing that you are going to do is, you see this plus sign, you can now tap it like that. So let us choose one prompt here as they give us. You may decide to write your own prompt here, like let us tap this one, the first one, and see this one, and we can the sound of the singer, you know. So let us try to, we need a normal, let us tap this one, let us start this one and generate. Let us see. Here is the music that they generate for us. Let us try.
A patchwork quilt of petals in the sun. The afternoon has only just begun.
Wow, so amazing. Let us try the next one.
A patchwork quilt of petals in the sun. The afternoon has only just begun.
So each one you like it, you can now able to post it as on your YouTube. Let us change it to hip hop. Let us tap this one and see. Let us hear this one.
Velvet petals on my can. Rewriting my own biography. Sky is azure, got no place to be. Just this floor.
Try this one. Let me.
Velvet petals.
Video script. So let prompt script here. For let me use this their script and see. Let me generate this one and see. Can you see this one?